Guys, I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back. Happy 4th of July. I thought since it's 4th of July, I do a 4th of July makeup video, so let's get into it. Concealer. Blush. Highlights. Some powder. Okay, I'm gonna do blue eyeshadow today since it's 4th of July and I'm blue today, so yeah. Eyeliner, trust the process. Lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm gonna add some extra concealer. I'm gonna add some blush, trust the process. Mascara. Setting spray. Hey guys, I'm back. My hair is kind of all over the place. Here's the makeup look. I love blue eyeshadow. I've always loved blue eyeshadow. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys all have a great 4th of July. Be safe with the fireworks and everything. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and thanks to everyone who subscribed, and we're kind of on the way to 900 subscribers, so please subscribe if you can. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and keep up for more.